Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way. We have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *# #06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. And then scroll down again and tap on the status, which is right here. And as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.